Trade shows, conferences, exhibitions are a fantastic way to promote your business. Not only is it a one-day event where lots and lots of people are going to come to you if you're exhibiting, but it's industry specific. So whether it's the ideal home exhibition, or whether it's the spring fair, or it's specific for your whatever you do, caravanning, engineering, the exhibitions are absolutely fantastic. So we're going to give you some tips now on how to have a good show. Tip number one, your location. Now you're paying a lot of money to exhibit here, so whether you've got a small stand or whether you're paying thousands for something a bit bigger, think about the location. By the entrance is good. When the visitors to the exhibition come in, they're itching to get going. If you're one of the first few, people will always want a brochure from you, they'll always chat to you, they're keen. Nearer the sort of circle of the end, people are getting a bit tired, they're losing a bit of interest. So think about the location, by the entrance, or by, if there's a food stand, or a particular, if there's a particular area where there's some other stuff going on and you're right beside that, it's got a lot of footfall, that's where you want to be. You don't want to be stuck in a corner somewhere amongst some also-rans. So think about the location, most important for your exhibition. Okay, point number two, presentation. This is your moment to shine. This is your stand. You're paying good money to exhibit. Please present yourself smart. Dress up smart, shirt, tie, be as best presented as you can. If you wear a uniform, get you and the staff wearing the uniform. Wear name badges so people can communicate with you properly. Nobody wants to walk past a dull black and white stand with some old bloke who's not even looking the right direction, or there's some couple of people chatting or messing around on a mobile phone. Presentation is everything. This is your moment to shine. Every potential person walking past is a potential customer. Present yourself as best you can. Point number three, get your flyers and leaflets sorted. So get a nice colourful flyer, keep it concise, bullet points of the service and the product that you're supplying, and you can give away literally thousands of them. So you're on your stand, every single person that comes by, potential customer or just a browser, give them a flyer. They'll be carrying little exhibition bags, stuff it in there, they'll look through it later, and there is a potential customer right there. Flyers. Point number four is about your company brochure. Now this is your expensive, full colour, 100-page brochure, for example. They're quite expensive, so you don't necessarily want to give them away to everybody, but once you've got a potential customer that's interested, and they're on your stand at the exhibition, they're having a cup of tea with you, they're holding on to products, they're looking at things, that's the point where you hit them with the full colour brochure, and they will then, at their leisure, be able to leaf through when they get home, and that one really is the one you want to follow up on, because once they've got your brochure, they're keen. So don't forget, brochures. Point number five, drinks and nibbles. Now this is a real point scorer. Everybody who's having a wander around the exhibition for hours and hours and hours loves to go to a stand where they're offered some little chocolates or biscuits or a soft drink or even some cheap champagne if you think the customer's worth it. Everybody loves these nibbles. So one piece of advice would be, don't go for something too complicated, like take a big coffee machine in there with you. Because by the time you've been to the back of the stand, boiled the kettle and plugged all your little all your bits and pieces in and then brought it back, you may well have lost the customer's interest. So go for something simple, sit them down, would you like a drink, bang, put it in front of them, give them some nibbles. It's a real winner, that one, so don't forget your drinks and nibbles. Number six, freebies. Make it known or make it obvious that on your stand there are freebies available. So I'm talking freebies like pens, notebooks, notepads, post-it notes, little knickknacks people love, and if it's got your branding on, they're going to put it in their exhibition bag and they're going to take it away. If you've got some nicer gifts, something a little bit more expensive like a phone charger or a mobile phone stand, something that's cost you a couple of pounds, don't be giving them out to everybody, but have freebies around. People expect to have them, and they will leave the exhibition with bundles of goodies all with different people's logo and branding on. So freebies, very important. Okay, the next point is business cards. Obviously, a vitally important part of your trade show, your exhibition, is the business cards. Cheap and cheerful, and you can give them away to anybody, but very, very important. Not only giving them out, but also collecting people's business cards, people that come to your stand and they're half interested or they've asked a question or two and they give you their business card. Keep them. Put them in your wallet, put them on the table, keep them, and then you've got them to refer back to, because every business card you get is a potential lead, and they haven't come to your stand and given you the business card for the fun of it. They may well want to buy your products. So business cards, very important. Gimmicks and competitions. If you see an exhibition and there's a stand where there's hundreds of people all crowded around, it's probably because they've got some kind of gimmick. There's either be somebody dressed up as a clown, or there's somebody juggling, or they're doing a raffle, or there's a dartboard, or there's some kind of gimmicky competition where you can win something. If you're going to do one, make sure you've got a prize. Even if it's a mini iPad, it may cost you £150. You're only giving one of them away, and what you're looking for is people to give their business card, their details, enter your competition. While they're queuing up or while they're on your stand, they're looking at your products and your services. So very important. Just stick to one competition, whatever it may be, a quiz, a raffle, guess how many sweets in the jar, but do something that people can enter on your stand. Okay, the next point is preparation. Not only do you need to be well prepared, so you're not panicking at the last minute trying to put up a broken banner. You've tested everything that you're going to put on your stand, but also prepare mentally for the day. So get to bed early, make sure you're feeling nice and fresh. Research your products as well. Think about what questions people are going to ask you. What's the best selling product? What's good at the moment? What lasts the longest? What's the most cost effective? What's the most popular product? No one wants somebody on the stand in and ahhing and not knowing the answers about their particular product that they're supposed to be promoting. So do a bit of preparation. Even if you do role play within your staff, ask yourself questions and answers. You need to be on the ball when it's the big day. And the final point, and possibly the most important one, after the exhibition is finished and you've all gone home and you get back into the office the next day, you must follow up all the leads that you've picked up, all the contacts that you've made. So you've paid the money, you've put the effort in, you've spent a day or two at the exhibition, you've gained all these contacts of potential customers. You must follow them up. And when I say follow them up, I don't mean 2 months down the line. Follow them up within a couple of days, and then follow them up again within a week of the exhibition. So it's fresh in their mind. Hello Dave, do you remember chatting to me? We had a cup of tea and we were talking about this particular product. Are you interested? Is there anything you need prices on? You can even do it by email, but you must do the follow-up. So that's the final point. On a good exhibition, the whole purpose of it is to get customers. So do the follow-up.